Imagine waking up to passive income rolling in from books you created once and never have to touch again. Selling low and no content books online is one of the easiest ways to start an online business with low risk and zero inventory. And today I'm going to just show you how simple this is step by step. Hi, my name's Claire and I've published over 100 books using Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Amazon KDP. I went from knowing nothing about book publishing to earning passive income every month, and it's way easier than you might think. If you've been thinking about creating an online business but you don't want to be dealing with the inventory, the shipping, then KDP is the perfect solution. It's a print-on-demand platform, meaning that you create the book once, you upload it, and Amazon handles everything else, the printing, the shipping, and even the customer service. There's no upfront stock, no storage fees, and unlimited earning potential, which for someone like me who's very risk averse is awesome. Now, I know what you're thinking. I'm not a writer, neither am I. And that's where low and no content books come in. These are books that people fill in themselves, like journals, planners, notebooks, or even activity books. Some have prompts, some are just line pages. There is so much variety. So for example, you could think about manifestation journals, gratitude planners, sketchbooks. You don't need to write stories or long form content. You just need to design pages in a way that is good for your buyer. So to prove how simple this is, today I'm going to show you how you can simply create a lined notebook in just a few minutes using BookBolt. BookBolt makes it super easy for you to design and format your books properly for KDP. It's also going to help you research niches, find trending book ideas, and even optimize your listings with keywords. They actually have pre-made templates, so you don't need to start from scratch. And with just a few clicks, you can create a professional looking notebook that's ready to publish. Plus, they offer a free trial so you can test it out before committing. Now, down in the description, you are going to find a link to BookBolt, and click that link. It's going to give you 20% off for life using the code Mrs. D. Okay, so let's head over into BookBolt and I'm going to show you exactly how you can create a notebook in less than 5 minutes. So when you come in, you want to hit create over here, go into your BookBolt studio, and then it's going to bring up your last project. Now, I've actually already filmed this video and forgot to hit record on my screen share, so I'm going to recreate this right now. So we're going to hit new project. We are going to go for cover and interior. I've called it notebook. It's 6 by 9 inches and 100 pages. So we're going to go create project. Super, super simple. Now, here's our cover, here is our pages just here. First of all, we're going to hit page templates. We're going to go for our ruled notebook, and I'm going to go for college ruled. It's going to ask me which ones I want. I'm going to hit select all, but deselect the cover. Continue to my options. I'm going to have black lines. And you can change the width and the distance between, but I'm going to keep mine exactly the same. I'm going to have it according to Amazon KDP guidelines, and then I'm going to go submit. Now, we're going to do the cover just here. So I've actually downloaded this image, where is it? Just here from Pexels. So I've already uploaded it, which is just a case of dragging and dropping into here. So you can see that just there. I'm going to just crop it first of all so that I'm there to there. That's my front cover. And then I'm going to make that bigger. I want that just to go onto the spine slightly. Extend that out. Now, I'm not too sure really about this post-it note being so far over, so I'm going to make that more central. But then obviously that does mean that the pen and the scissors just come off slightly, which actually I don't mind that. I think that's okay. And then on the back here, what I'm going to do is hit this white square up here, use the pipette, hit that, and then it's going to use exactly the same colour for the rest of the cover. Now the reason that you can't see that colour is because the cover is not yet transparent. So we can do that, and then you can see it's there. Now I'm just going to add in a little bit of text here. Now you may have seen that I did post out a poll on YouTube as to which was the best quote. So I asked, the best ideas start here, or write it down, make it real. Now it was very non-conclusive. It was a 50-50 result. So I've decided for today I'm going to go write it down, make it real. I'm just going to move that along a bit more. I think it will look more aesthetically pleasing if it's like that. And I might just see how it looks if I crop that. Oh, that might be better actually. And then just crop in there, because otherwise you have got slight shadow. Oh, I'm not in crop there. Crop there, that's it. That will be much, much better. Yeah. Just bring that down a touch. Might just try where that, use my pipette to there. Oh no, that's not worked. Undo that. So if you want to undo anything, Control and Z or Command and Z will work really well. So now on this post-it note, I'm going to add, I might just put that central actually. So you can see here how you've got the guidelines, but of course because of what this post-it note is, it's not quite right, if that makes sense. Because I've got this top part just up there. So I'm going to add a heading. In here I'm going to write in my quote, which is write it down. In fact, I might go second line. Write it down. Make it real. And then I'll just move that across to here. I'm going to change my text. I've already had a look. So Architect's Daughter is kind of a bit more like handwriting, which is why I've selected that. I'm going to just pop that onto the post-it. There we go. So that looks really good. And then I'm just going to copy that and paste that on the back as well. Just so then it's the same. And then on here, I'm just going to write in another heading and just put 100. Now, if you can hear sounds in the background, this is because I am a working from home mum and I do have a baby in the room with me at the moment. This is like such a great side hustle for a mum because you can literally create things within a matter of minutes. As you can see, like that's super simple, super basic. If I just hit download up here, download current project, download current project and printed books just there. That's going to start that process. But yeah, so that's literally taken us 5 minutes to create a notebook. And yes, you can polish it up. You can improve those shadow lines by spending 10 minutes even. And before you know it, you have got an amazing book that can start generating you a passive income. Now, let's talk about what not to do. Amazon is pretty strict, so make sure you're not using copyrighted images or trademark phrases in your book. You can check trademarks on the USPTO website if you're not sure. Also, whilst this is a fantastic way to make income, do not expect to get rich overnight. Like any business, it takes research, it takes consistency, testing as well to see what ideas work. Now, if you would like more information on trademarks and copyrights, then leave me a comment that says law. Now, I want to promise you, the feeling that you will get when you publish your very first book and then make your first sale is out of this world. And the best part, you can build a catalogue of books that keep selling over time. So if you've been looking for a flexible online business that doesn't require a huge upfront cost, this is definitely worth trying. Let me know if you want a step-by-step walkthrough. I've got tons of tips to make the process easier. And if you found this video helpful, helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of my YouTube community. Now, if you would like to know what the biggest cover mistakes are and how you can avoid them, then watch this video next. Thank you so much for watching today. I will see you in the next one. Bye.